Hey, I'm Jeff. Today we are going to be installing a 2-bar cargo rack on a Ford Transit Connect. The first step is to remove the 4 plugs on each corner of the roof. Use a door panel tool to pry the plugs. Starting at the rear of the vehicle, place the cargo bar on the roof. You may need to drill the mounting holes a little bigger with a 5/16 drill bit so that the bolts drop through the roof. Apply weatherproof silicone so that we won't get any leaks. And place the rubber wedge, foot, and 5/16 flat washer and bolt through the hole. Take a 5/16 nylon nut, flat washer, and lock washer to the inside of the vehicle and mount them to the bolt coming through the roof. Use a 1/2-inch deep socket and wrench to tighten the feet to the roof of the vehicle. Repeat these steps on the passenger side of the vehicle. Center the cargo bar on the roof and fully tighten the mounting feet to the bar. Mounting the front bar uses the same process. Drill the holes a little bigger. Mount the bolts, flat washer, and rubber wedge. Apply the silicone and insert it through the roof. Repeat the process on the passenger side. To mount the nuts and washers at the front of the vehicle, you will need to get access above the headliner in the cab area. Pry down the back corner, being careful not to crease the headliner, and reach your hand up into the cavity to fasten the hardware to the bolts. Tighten any remaining loose hardware, and your job is complete.